tour was great. The guide is a little harsh. She just needs to be nicer with people who don't speak Spanish or Portuguese. Embark on a full-day adventure starting with a scenic ride from Rio de Janeiro to Conceição de Jacareí. Board a schooner at the port, sailing towards the captivating Ilha Grande. Your first stop is the tranquil Ilha de Cataguás, inviting you to immerse yourself in its azure waters. Explore the enchanting Lagoa Azul, a natural pool teeming with starfish, colorful fish, and vibrant corals, ideal for snorkeling. Discover the historic charm of Freguesia de Santana, home to Angra dos Reis inaugural church. Lounge at Praia do Japariz, savoring a delectable lunch at a local eatery and indulging in a refreshing ocean dip. After a day of exploration, return comfortably to Rio de Janeiro, cherishing the memories of your island escapade.